I'm going to show you how to set up your own website for free using a website called GitHub. To set up this website, you're going to need an account at GitHub. We go straight for GitHub. The world's leading software development platform, GitHub. That's it, that'll do. And there's sign up there. We click on that. Once you've filled in your details like your email, your password and so forth, you get this funny little screen and you have to solve the puzzle before you can move on. Once you've created your account, you'll be at this screen here. What category do you fall in? Probably student is going to be good, or maybe like you're a teacher. How much program experience do you have? Well, you're probably going to have none or a little. I'm new to programming. What do you plan to use GitHub for? And it's just going to like ask you these different things. Learn to code. Yeah, this is what we want. Create a web page with GitHub pages. We definitely want that. Let's just complete setup. And now it's going to want you to verify your email. Once you've verified using your email, you get in here by sign in. Basically, you will be directed back to this website. A website will open up, and then you just go to this little box here, go to sign in, and then you are set up. You can do all sorts of things like editing your profile, but we want to get straight on with creating a website. Once you have your account set up, go back up to the top here, and where you signed in, go down to repositories. And if you're getting something out of this, then please give it a like. Click the new button. I need to give it a name, and I'm going to call it my web page. A description, a web page. Yes, we do want to keep it public. Initialize a repository with README. Yeah, we do want to do that. So click that box. And then these two boxes down here, just leave them as they are and go to create repository. Once this repository is created, we need to create a new file. And we're going to call this file index. Make sure you call it index.html. And it must have that extension, otherwise it won't work. Now, we're going to put some basic code in here just to make sure that it works. So this is like a bare minimum of a web page. We just pop that in there. Now scroll down and go to commit. So now we have this file there. There's a few things we need to change first. So we go over to settings. You see settings over here. Yes, click on that. And we scroll down and scroll down and scroll down until we get to GitHub pages. And this is where you want to be, GitHub pages. Source. Select where it says none and change that to master branch. Choose a theme. No, we don't want to do that because we're going to start from scratch and we're going to learn how to do it bit by bit, and you will learn everything you need to know. A custom domain, no, we don't need that. Once you've done this, go back to the top of the page and select code. Once you get back to the code, look for environment, where it's got this like little rocket here. You can see it lighting up. I'll zoom in for it as well so you can see exactly where it is. And now just click on that. Now view deployment. And there it is. Hello you. That is what we put in there. That's the web page. So now you can start working on your web page. We're not done yet, so keep watching. I'll give you a few more tips. Pay attention to the tabs at the top here. It is code. That will take you back to where your stuff is. Actually, while we're here, we go back to environment, click on there, and then a copy of that. Go back to code, the README that was created for us, and then just paste that in. Commit the changes, and now you can go straight to your website from there. This is not a great environment to just start coding in. Code it using something like brackets. Then you can type out your code. Your text editor will then highlight any problems that you have and give you any tips, and it's easier to do it that way. Then you just copy it and paste it in. So it makes it a lot easier. And you can test it out on here too, which is like pretty good. If you want to make any changes, go back to code. Now from this list here, just go to index. And if you want to make a change, you use this edit button here. And then once you're done, you click the commit button down at the bottom. That's it. Now you've got your own web page. The only thing to do now is to learn more HTML. HTML, you just need a bit of HTML to get started, and then you can learn a bit of CSS and realize what CSS does for your web page. And then you will learn JavaScript, or at least some JavaScript, because JavaScript will give your page functionality. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a like. Subscribe to my channel and learn how to make a website. Take care for now.